Me being from Kentucky, I'm like, meatloaf. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. I know I'm feeling pretty jazzed today because I have a box for you guys that is truly so exciting to me for multiple different reasons. One, I really like getting this box. I think it's a fun box. I really enjoy unboxing it together with you guys. And two, it also is signifying to me that the best season that there is coming. Fall is coming. Ooh, nothing in the world brings me more joy as a very basic lady than just fall. It's just so good. So today we're going to be getting into the fall FabFitFun box. If you guys do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription that is filled with full-size fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products. It is available in the US, the Canada, or as it's also known, just Canada. It's available in the US, the UK, and Canada. You also have the ability to customize your box so you can select things that are going to fit your lifestyle and that you know you're going to love. The box is only $49.99 and inside you're going to get up to $300 worth of value, and oftentimes you'll get something inside of your box that is like more expensive than what you paid for the box. Does that make any sense? So like one item covers the entire cost that you paid for the box, especially if you use my code AR10, which gets you $10 off your very first box, so that means everything's only $39.99. I've been filming for a total of 6 minutes and I already very much so regret my outfit choice, but daggone it, I wanted to look like fall time. I wanted to match these leaves. Let's go ahead and get on this box here. Like I said, I'm very excited. I would say that it's not like I don't enjoy summer, I just really like fall, but that honestly would be a lie, and I don't want to lie to you guys. I don't like summer. It's hot. It's literally been 90 degrees today, but I've decided inside of my home it's now officially fall. I'm gonna wear sweaters. I bought a candle that's called Witch's Brew the other day. I'm gonna burn it in my front foyer, and it's just gonna be fall. I don't care how basic I sound. Alright, so here is the box all opened up with cute little leaves on the inside. We have all of our items here. I'm already seeing one thing I'm very excited about. You can never have too many throw blankets. When I was younger, I thought my mom had far too many throw blankets, but now as a nearly 30-year-old, I understand, Mom, and I apologize. Go ahead and set that on my pile of stuff over here. Alright, the very first thing I'm pulling out of here is a cute little box. There's a pizza slice on the top of it and a little martini. How absolutely adorable. This is 120 food and drink questions, a selection of the finest trivia for foodies. Oh, I very much so enjoy food. I really like eating. That's probably a good reason why I've gained like, I don't know how much during, you know, the thing we've been going through. I don't think I would consider myself a foodie though, because my tastes are very amateur. If it's breaded, deep fried, covered in cheese, stuffed with cheese, cheese on top, dipped in chocolate, that kind of, I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna like it. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and do one of these really quickly just because I'm interested. So, well, that's the instructions. All right, so the answer is on the side with the question, so I'm going to have to cover up the bottom part and not look and then read the question. So the question is right there if you guys want to read it. So it says, which dish comprises raw ground beef, seasoning, and a raw egg yolk? Is that the whole dish? Do you cook it? I mean, if you cook it, I'm thinking like meatloaf, meatballs, something like that. But if that's just it, if that's like the final product, then I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's steak tartare. Is that really what you put in steak tartare? Yeah, maybe I'm not a foodie. Me being from Kentucky, I'm like, meatloaf. This is cute though. That'll be a fun little thing to bring out if you're having like a dinner party. Like after dinner, you could have some drinks and like answer trivia and stuff. That sounds pretty fun. All right, next in here we have this little guy. This is the Hip lunch pack. It looks like a little silicone lunch bag. Very interesting. So there's like a couple little stretchy bands there and a stick on the back. Oh cute, so it unrolls like this and it's just like a little pouch kind of in the shape of like your standard brown paper bag, but this one is reusable. And then it says you like roll down the back like this and then pull the strap over and then okay, I'm very bad at reading directions. Give me just 1 second. Okay, roll down this way, then you pull the string over, and then you have a secure little lunch bag. That's super cute. Okie dokie, next up in here, I've definitely already seen something from them before. It's like a fancy Italian body wash. This is an Islands of Italy bath gel. Let's give it a quick sniff and see what it smells like. Oh, I like that. Ooh, what is that fragrance? Peach. That's why I like it. I absolutely love peaches and almost all things artificially peach flavored as well. I just really like peach, so this smells really good. This is peach champagne, and that smells absolutely wonderful. That is going in my shower pretty much immediately for sure. Also, you guys, I'm sorry. I like bit my tongue or something over there, and it's a little bit swollen. My tongue's already just like the tiniest touch too big for my mouth. Does anybody else have that problem? So I bite it nearly constantly, and right now it's a little bit swollen, so I'm having kind of a hard time really dictating. Okay, next in here we have another body cleanser. This is from Carez. This is a Santori grape. I wonder if it actually smells like grapes. That might be kind of fun. I also really enjoy me some grapes. But this is supposed to renew and hydrate. This one has a plastic wrapping around it. The outside has some grapes on the front of it, and then on the back there's a whole bunch of different like statistics. It says that it supports 1,000 plus organic farmer families, which is really cool. It's formulated by women. These aren't really statistics, are they? Just facts, just fun facts about the brand. It has recyclable packaging. It's made in Greece. Ooh la la. So that sounds really nice and lovely. Oops, that's a really interesting scent. There's something there at the very end that I've definitely smelled before. It's a super familiar scent, but I don't know, it's just really nice. It smells kind of herbally, a little bit of grass maybe? I don't know, it smells really nice. It seems like it's a very nice cleanser. I don't know if I picked both of these when I was going through and making selections or not. If I were paying more attention while I was picking, I probably wouldn't have picked two body cleansers to put in one box, but both of them do seem pretty nice. All right, next up in here, we have something from APL. This is an all-purpose backpack. Oh, that sounds fun. This bag comes in a little kind of like almost nylon-y casing. It feels kind of like a tent. Oh, the case is part of the backpack. How fun is that? I was trying to like remove the backpack from its outer casing, but no, it's like all a part of it. So it folds inside to the casing itself. That's pretty fun. That's pretty clever. I like that. So you can like tuck it back around and MacGyver it back into that case if you want to. But this is actually really cute. I like that leopard print on there. It kind of goes nicely with like the ensemble I have going on right now. Not that I would probably go anywhere in what I'm wearing with a backpack, because this is a dress, a fairly short one at that, but you guys can't see that, so it doesn't matter. But this is really cute. There is a large pocket there, which I think is what this like popped out of, and then we have two little side pockets here with some mesh. Then there is a very large actually center pocket, and then on the back we have another little zipper pocket. So this is really, really nice. My family just went on the world's longest yard sale, and unfortunately I couldn't go with them because I felt like absolute trash. I got the second dose and it knocked me on my behind. So unfortunately I wasn't able to go with them, but this would have been absolutely perfect on that trip. I always have to save the things I'm most excited about for last. It's kind of like Christmas in that way. Like you don't want to get like a most exciting thing out of the way, even though like I can clearly see what these both are, but it's okay. Let's hope we have something in here that actually isn't very obviously marked. This is the Tooth Bandits, and I'm not 100% sure what it is. Let's go ahead and find out. Ew, okay, I do remember this. So the next thing we have in here is this cute little catch-all tray. It's a white plastic little tiered tray. There's like some felt lining here at the bottom, but then when you twist it, there's more little trays. So it's just a cute little thing for you to put, you know, some jewelry, rings, or if you're like me and you own a total of 2 pieces of jewelry, you know, some change, hairpins, bobby pins, basically whatever you want to catch all of, you can put in here. But it's really cute, and I do like that you can spin the trays together so it doesn't take up a ton of room on your vanity or wherever you put it. All right, so the last two things in here are definitely the things I'm most excited about. So far, I've liked the items inside of the box, but these I think are what's gonna make it like a true fall box for me, which I'm very excited about. So let's go ahead and pull this out first. This is a waffle blanket from, we have one of these like furniture and home stores in a city near where I live, and it's incredibly expensive. And I have pronounced it my whole time of knowing of its existence, Auroras. I don't know where I got the extra letters from, but Auroras. In my head I was like, Auroras, that sounds very high class, elegant, expensive, but it's actually pronounced Our House. Like, our house. Our house. I could have guessed a million ways to say that besides Our House. I literally watched a YouTube video. It was like a training video of someone pronouncing Our House, and that's the only reason I know how to say it. Anywho, I'm very excited about this blanket. It's like a cool green color, which my house has been pretty much just black, white, and wood as far as home accents go, and then I have fake plants. So I really haven't added too much color, but I think I'm gonna branch out, get a little crazy with it, and add some like deep forest green, which I think will be nice, which is also the color kind of my fake plants. But but having it in the form of like a blanket or a pillow just makes it like a little different. Alrighty, so this is the waffle blanket. It actually looks pretty large, which I'm excited about too. It is just like that waffly type material. It's in a beautiful, beautiful green color. These are just my favorite tones of colors, like deep earth tones. I think they're beautiful. And yeah, this is a very nice blanket. I'm gonna be putting it somewhere in my living room, I guess, and I'm excited about it. All right, last and certainly not least, at least to me, we have a candle. And I just have an absolute weakness for candles. I make my own candles, but still, you can't pull me away from the candle aisle at Home Goods. I just really like candles. And this one, oh, this one also is from our house. So this one I'm pretty excited about. At first I thought it was pumpkin spice, and I was like, yeah. But it's actually Moroccan spice, which sounds also like it's gonna be amazing. So let's go ahead and give this a sniff. Oh, I can already smell it coming through the box. I like the outer packaging of this as well. It looks like it's been stamped. Ooh, how pretty. That is a very pretty outer container. Oh, it smells like cinnamon rolls. Oh my gosh. It smells like Cinnabon. Oh, this could be dangerous. This could be an issue. I do really like the outer container. I actually like that it's not stamped anywhere. It doesn't say like Our House really big on the outside or anything. It's just a nice kind of almost brushed copper look. The candle smells so good. It smells like cinnamon roll filling. This is a strange little note to add, but I love how centered the wick is in that candle. I think I noticed stuff like that because like when I'm trying to make candles, I meticulously make sure it's like perfectly in the center. So that makes me very happy that it's so centered. Where's fire? I need some fire. I want to light this. All right, I'm gonna get some fire. I'll be right back. And look, I have FabFitFun matches. How appropriate. Alright you guys, that is everything that I got in my FabFitFun Fall 2021 box, and I'm very excited by most of the things in here. I'm very excited that fall is coming and summer is leaving, hopefully, please. I think I'm most excited about the blanket, the candle, the backpack, and I actually think the trivia is pretty cute in this box, plus those cleansers did actually smell really good. So overall, I think this is a pretty good box, I would say, because I know our house is like incredibly expensive as far as the furniture and stuff goes, so I'm sure that candle and that blanket are super expensive. If I was to guess, I would say that that blanket alone costs more than the box cost. There's a fuzz floating. It's very distracting. So if you guys are interested in trying out FabFitFun and getting some of these lovely things for yourself, then don't forget to use my code AR10 for $10 off your very first box. And just thank you so very much to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video and helping to support the channel. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Also, if you wouldn't care to give this video a like, leave a comment down below, maybe give it a share. Everything will help out tremendously. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!